for a description. Hello, everybody. It's time. Oh, man, maybe we should have warned everybody we were coming live.
Yeah, I would, because I was going to take off my sweater so we can match.
He's going to take off his sweater. We're not going to stop.
Can't stop, won't stop.
He's stripping. Everybody got dollars. This is a wholesome show. What are you doing? Okay, so, if y'all is out there, those of you who will be tuning in, and again, hopefully y'all can hear us. We're never sure about that part. But today we got Japanese sweets, and I'm sorry we're late. We usually do this Saturday night, and it's probably going to change from there on out because somebody has a really messed up work schedule. Can't keep it.
Damn,
what's the word I'm looking for?
Consistent?
Yes, consistent. There is no consistency where this man works. But, yeah. So we got, we have some Japanese sweets here today that we're going to be trying to eat. Well, we're waiting for some viewers. Let's get Yuki on the cam. That's my baby. She needs a haircut. If y'all want to contribute to my GoFundMe, this dog needs a haircut. So, she's still she can still see, and she's all right. She's okay. She's just a little furry. That winter coat now it's getting spring-ish. So she wants to come back up here. So she knows we got food. That's what she knows we got food up here. And she probably just wants to eat. But yeah, so we have lots of things here today. We have I know y'all seen these in the store. Hello Panda. It's not Hello Kitty, it's Hello Panda. So Yuki is trying to take our cord down right now. Yuki and Mako. No, okay. Aw, bring Mako up here for a second. She's gonna pull our camera down. I just know it. Let me hold on to this. Actually, she done pulled the plug is out. Hopefully, we won't lose power during this. This is Mako. Show her lovely face to the camera. Mako. She blind. She can't see. She looking at me. Y'all give me kisses. Give me kisses. She loves her mommy. She's a sweetheart. She's sweeter than Yuki. Okay. So, who do we love more? Love my babies. Okay, well that's the charger, but it's at 45%, so I think we're okay. They think we have food, so now they're going to stay there, and Yuki's probably going to start making noise. Because anytime she sees somebody sitting at this table, she thinks we're eating without her. And technically we are, but we don't have dog food, we have sweets, and she cannot have this. So anyway, getting back, Hello Panda green tea matcha flavor. It's okay. It's not plugged in anything right now. Yeah, just put it on the ground. We have that. Then we got these. By the way, all bought at Mitsuwa. Caplico. These are like what are these? Chocolate snack. It's strawberry flavored, whatever it is. Huh. Then we got our Pocky. We got some Pocky Almond Crush. I've actually had this before. Have you?
No, I haven't.
Okay, I've had this before, so this is pretty delicious. Then we've got what's all the sweet stuff? Yeah.
Fettuccine.
It's not fettuccine.
That's what it's called.
Yeah, but it's not fettuccine. Fettuccine,
yeah.
Like
great
pasta.
Flavored. Yes, it's delicious.
It's not pasta.
I've had this before. It's yummy.
I'm excited about this one. Chocolate covered sunflower seeds.
Yes, I've had these before as well. These are pretty darn tasty.
I have not. I'm excited about that.
Then we have this little candies. They're supposed to be whistles. So I don't know what that little box is.
I can't whistle, so that's pretty neat. We're gonna find out what that is. Got this. I picked up when we went to Mitsuwa. It was for it's a Girls' Day snack, and a Girls' Day is like a day usually like March 3rd or 2nd or something like that, where they celebrate the little girls in Japan. So they like have all these cute things and whatnot. So they had this snack, and it's a corn snack. So And that, I think it's more like a sweet corn type, maybe caramel or something. So, hey Val.
Our only fan.
Then we got these, and I will probably be holding this upside down. No, I'm holding it right. These are some kind of Japanese style peanut cookies. They looked interesting, so I was like, hey, I'm gonna buy those. Then we have these
Pomeranian turds.
No. This is not crap. Traditional Japanese snack, sweet and deep fried. It is made primarily of flour and brown sugar. It's called Kurubuto Karinto. I don't know exactly, but we're gonna try it. It's supposed to be sweet, I guess. And then we have, you want to? He got some of this.
Yes. Strawberry puchao. Is that how you pronounce it? Puchao. We sell these at our local Meijer, but we got this one from Mitsuwa. And if you could look closely, it has little gummies in them, which are delicious.
And last but not least, this isn't sweet per se, but these are yummy. These are Pretz, and this is the corn flavor. And believe it or not, this tastes just like corn on the
Fresh
cob.
as fuck.
Corn on the cob. These are really good. And if you see these, get them, because it's like eating corn on the cob, but it's not on the cob. It's a stick. It's a stick. They condensed it. Okay, what do you want to try first?
You pick.
Why I gotta pick?
I don't know. Let's do the turds.
Okay, we're going to do the. I need scissors, I think.
It has a thing right here.
Oh, does it?
Right here.
Oh, okay, awesome. Okay, I see it. Alright. I like to sniff the bag. That's interesting flavor. Smell that.
Oh. It smells like molasses, like brown sugar.
Yeah. It's just like a corn. It's a snack. It's a snack. It's a regular snack. Okay, so we're going to eat this right now. See how that tastes.
Iratakimasu.
Oh, I like a brown sweet molasses.
Mm-hmm. It's not overly sweet.
This reminds me of something else. No, it's not overly sweet. I definitely taste like a molasses flavor on this.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know bad, but I don't like sugar, diabetes. I got diabetes. It's a whole me back.
These are pretty good. I like them actually. I never thought turds would taste so yummy.
Don't listen to him, these are not turds. Oh, Val, by the way, we all have matching shirts now. He has a drink and I know things shirt. Okay. And try your fettuccine next.
I was gonna say you want to continue with savory until then we'll do all the sweet last.
That's what he said, and I stopped telling him that because it doesn't taste. Not that I would know. No, it was good.
All right, so we're trying the Girls' Day snack. They're cute.
They're cute. They're little rings.
I have a feeling I'm gonna like this.
They're little rings. They look like calamari. No, they're not soft like calamari. They're little rings. Okay. Yeah, they would probably fit in a small child's finger. Alright, here we go.
Potato.
Yeah, it tastes like potato.
Potato.
That's not corn at all.
No. But I could snack on these all day. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It tastes like a Pringle.
You're right.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like a Pringle. A regular flavored Pringle.
Yeah. Yeah, I
in
could
the shape
eat
of a
these.
ring.
These are yummy.
They're good. Okay, now I want to try. Or should we open the corn one?
Yeah, corn.
Okay, we're gonna stick with the savory right now. Okay, so the Pretz corn, in this package it comes in. Okay, and then we are going to open it. Oh, I'm supposed to open it like that. That's what I did. You have to have the strength of 1,000 men to open these snacks. Okay. And you can see it's a stick. It's just a stick. Yeah, they smell amazing.
Corny.
Yes, corny. They're corny. Good stuff. I don't know what is about this one.
It's so weird.
It's corn. It tastes like you were actually nibbling on a corn on a cob with butter.
Yeah.
That's the crazy part. The stick.
It's so unique.
This is one of my favorites.
Yeah.
I know, one of my favorites. If you like corn, this is for you. And plus, you have to worry about it not like being nutritional. It's not going to go right through you. You're not going to see it later on.
I don't remember eating corn.
Okay. And then that's it for the savory stuff. Now we're going to do the sweet stuff. Fettuccine.
Fettuccine. Oh, I smell it already.
I got 3 pairs of scissors in this house.
Smell it.
Ooh, that's grape. Did you hold it up to the camera? Let Valerie, our one viewer, see it. It's a grape flavored thing called fettuccine. It looks like it's a gummy, really. It's just a gummy. It's a grape gummy. Yes, here we go. Believe it or not, you wouldn't need tomato and the cotija cheese for that. It's like a gummy.
Yeah.
That's
These are
good, though.
so
It's like a little sour.
good.
They're good. Nico wants some. No, one is good enough. Diabetic, what are you doing? I have cake later. Valerie, since everybody else has made me a cake, you have to make one too now. Sorry. You just, yeah, you owe me a cake. You can make that chocolate cheesecake.
Ooh. Now we're going to try the chocolate covered sunflower seeds. You're going to love these. I love them.
Maybe they don't give you a resealable bag.
Right? Did you see these at Ross?
No.
Yeah, they had 2 different kinds.
Oh, no, I didn't see them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, here we go with these thingies. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Val, they are so freaking good. I've had this and I've had the peach kind. Both amazing. What do you think?
They're okay.
I love them.
They're okay. They taste just like sunflower seeds covered in chocolate. I would probably have to like down the whole thing. You're like, bird seeds. Okay. Let's open these.
Yeah, I'm so curious.
Caplico. It's a chocolate snack. It's got strawberries, so let's see how that tastes.
It looks like space food.
Space food. Oh, well, it's packaged like space food. Okay,
Wow.
so we have this nice little container. These and it's cooked in the back, so it looks just like hearts. It looks like hearts. Hey, Rocio. Yeah, right now we're trying some kind of thing called Caplico. It's some kind of cream, I guess strawberry chocolate Japanese treat. I don't. really know. I tore the package. But I like the packaging actually on this. This is pretty neat.
It reminds me of those Easter eggs that you get in the cartons. They're like gum.
So like, okay, you push it up.
Oh.
Okay.
Interesting.
Oh, it's chocolate and strawberry in the same thing. Okay. Like, This is probably gonna be good. I hope it's good.
It looks like it.
I like that.
It's an interesting texture.
And again, it's not sweet. It's sweet, but it's not sugar.
Yeah.
Which one isn't bad? I like it. If you like strawberry and chocolate.
Gets a thumbs up from me.
Yep. That's the thing, the chocolate's not that sweet. Would you want another one?
No.
Okay. Get out those.
They're so good.
Okay.
I love them how they're so freaking cute.
Yeah, no, you're not alone anymore. Okay, next we're gonna go with some Pocky. The almond crush Pocky. Wait till you see. It looks just like how in the package. It looks just like here. You can open it.
That's one thing about Pockies that I like. They oh, this is a different packaging.
When we went to Myers, they had even though we got this one at Mitsuwa, they had the cookies and cream. They had the chocolate banana.
There's 2 packs in here.
Okay, and wait, show them the package. So this nice clear packaging. This is the fancy
gorgeous.
And of course they had strawberry chocolate regular one. So I was surprised they actually had the chocolate banana one there.
Yeah.
That was surprising. And you can find Pocky almost anywhere now, actually. I know Five Below sells it.
We just had cake with Pockies in them.
Yeah. TJ Friday, our cake had a Pockies in them. And then we were at Ross, and they had a package of Pocky in there. So,
a giant package.
Yeah,
of
a big
Pockies.
pack. So that's you can find it almost anywhere now. Walmart, I know Walmart has them too. Walmart has a smaller package.
Cheers.
Cheers. Actually, I've had this before, the almond crush, and it's good. Yeah.
I love almonds.
You know, my favorite Pocky flavor is cookies and cream.
I haven't tried that one. Maybe the next video.
Pick it up when you go to work next time. Yeah, that's my favorite. So I like Okay, this is like a dark chocolate, but you know, it's an interesting snack. Be nice to decorate with and whatnot. Okay. Next, I know y'all seen these. Hello Panda, but this is the green tea one. I never had the green tea one. Had the chocolate one, strawberry. Always see the chocolate one. Never seen the green tea one. So let me wash that other almond crush out of my mouth. Ooh, you didn't tell Demetrius we were coming on. I said you didn't tell Demetrius we were coming on.
She's probably sleeping.
Nah. Okay. So here it is. It's green packaging for the green matcha. And I always like the little shape of these things. They're shaped like little bear heads. These are panda bears. And you know, again, green tea is an acquired taste. Not everybody likes it. Matcha is definitely a more heavier type of green tea. I mean, it's the same thing, but I mean, it's got more earthy flavor, I would say.
Shade.
Oh.
Sorry. We were going to go to Culver's, but
yeah,
we decided Fridays.
Let's not dwell on the past. Okay? Let's not dwell on the past. Oh, your friend is asking me what we're eating.
Japanese candies and snacks. We
just snacking.
Pockies, yes.
we just
Right
ran out of stuff and we're eating it.
Right now we're going to try these panda matcha filled little snacks.
So these you can find almost anywhere too now.
What did I say they were called back in the day? Koala yummies.
Koala yummies.
Yeah, it used to be koalas and now they changed it, but
panda.
Cute.
So this is the green tea one.
Yes.
That is like a cookie. I don't even get that much of a green tea flavor.
No.
The matcha isn't very strong.
I think this is a different brand.
Meiji? No, Meiji is a very popular brand. Meiji makes a lot of stuff.
I thought I had a different
They're
one.
actually famous for their chocolate.
You know what? It is different because they still do have
You're
the
different.
koalas.
No. Okay, so we have the Meiji brand apparently, which is fine because they're like it's the same thing. It's a cookie with like a little cream inside of it. And,
Who don't like a little cream inside?
This is good. This is good. I like it. I like it a lot. So okay, last but not least.
No, we
got two more. Okay, we got two more.
Strawberry. In Spanish, it's fresca.
In Japanese, it's Ichigo.
Ichigo? Where did Ichigo? Oh, this one's different. It's pink and white. And there you can see the gummy.
You can't see the gummy in mine.
I love Haichus, but this is Puchao.
You know, I noticed the Haichu doesn't really have the
Yeah, they don't have the gummies inside.
Yeah, they don't have the the gummies. Whatever that is. Okay. I'm gonna break. I ain't got no teeth as it is. You wanna break my other teeth?
Hard first, soft and chewy later.
Yeah, I've been there. Camote's Island. Gave a shout out to them in the videos before. Maria, she's a wonderful lady.
Yeah. Is that where you got the Filipino stuff? Yeah.
Yeah, it's Asian, but it's really Filipino. Marcus loves it in there because he gets a lot of his stuff. And, yeah. It's really good. I like it in there. You have to go in there. Just go in there. Look, it's real nice.
These are pretty good, but I prefer the grape. Huh?
Still chewing on that chow.
Yeah.
It's not like taffy, that's like a hard candy. Not as soft as you think it would be.
Yeah. If you haven't had these, try them. They come in tons of flavors, as well as a different brand called Haichu. Good. Good, good, good. Next up, we have the whistles. Can't wait to see if these work.
I can't whistle.
Huh. Yeah, we're gonna need scissors. It's right there.
See, we have scissors, Valerie. We just don't use them.
We don't need you, Valerie. No, we do. We miss you.
Technical difficulties. Yeah, I don't know what it is. I can't whistle. It's hard. Believe me, I've tried. I practiced, and I just give up. Like, why do I need to whistle? What do I need to whistle for? I can just buy a whistle, and it can do the work for me.
I don't know what this is.
Maybe it's a toy.
Came with this.
This little box came with this candy, and this candy is thick. Thick with a C.
Luckily, we saved it for last. Oh, it is a little toy.
What the hell is that?
It's like a fly or something.
Oh, it's a beetle. Japanese
guess...
people love beetles. Okay, you can't see what he's doing off camera, but apparently there's like a little thing in it. And... Oh, wait. That was on the floor.
Get away, Yuki.
Okay, now he's trying to get it.
It's not for dogs.
He's an Attica whistle.
Addie can whistle. I taught her how to whistle.
Oh, Valerie. Valerie.
It's only half true. Ready?
Okay.
You gotta wet it.
What do you mean I gotta wet it? how to do this. So wait, what? You gotta wet it?
I'm an expert at getting things wet, girl.
Any testimonials? Any testimonials out there?
No, I did. I taught her how to whistle. Don't tell me my life.
Okay, so you can make a whistling noise with this.
Oop, I broke it.
So apparently if you get it too wet, it falls apart. Oh, look, the dogs are coming because they're whistling. Okay, so that was a whistling thing. Actually, it tastes pretty good. It do taste good.
I don't want to
Coffee
whistle
kinda
no
candy.
more.
Like a sweet tart, but not as sweet.
What's the matter?
Hey, BB. Yeah, I like it. Let's get another one. Give me another one. Let's do it again. Again, like I said, it's just thick. Yeah. I thought we had to wet it.
I'm an expert, I told you.
Yeah, yours are kind of fun.
That whistle's freaking them out.
The dogs do not like the whistle. Yuki is freaking out. Look at Mako. Aw, she's wagging her tail though. Look at the. Oh, bring my baby up here. Y'all need to see my baby. She is just too cute. Her little fat though.
Not you.
You can bring her up afterwards. They both want to come, but they both can't. Mako. Okay.
Daddy.
We're eating Japanese candy. Mako. Well, I'm gonna blow this to see what she does. You see, she turned her head real quick, like, what was that? What is that? I don't know. These are pretty fun. She don't like it, I don't think. Oh, my baby. Okay, now bring Yuki up here. Bring Yuki up here. See, your children, Valley. Your children need you. She's mad because you picked Mako up first. Yeah, no, we tried a bunch of candy and snacks. Here's Yuki. Again, she needs a haircut. Look at this mop. She is a mop. Okay, Yuki, I'm gonna blow this. Ready? Actually, you suck it in. You suck it in and it makes that whistle noise.
If you look... Oh, wait.
What are we looking at?
It shows somewhere on the packaging.
Is this it?
You blow out on the back.
Really?
On top.
Oh, okay. I don't see it. But that's what he says. But I get more in than out.
Right here. See that little diagram? It's blowing out.
Okay, that's me blowing. And you know, when I turned it around, it blew. It's it. I don't know. But yeah, you can blow with this. This is pretty neat. This is pretty neat. I like this candy. So don't give this candy to your kids if you don't like noise. Right? Because they will probably walk around blowing this and not eating it. And you'll find little pieces all over the floor and you'll get mad. And you'll be like, oh, why did I buy them that? Yeah, I like it. Kind of like that. Did you ever see that one toy they had out where, like, I think you scream and it runs after your kid if the kid is screaming, and it's like the kid's gonna keep screaming because it's running after them. The little kids. Yeah, you didn't see that toy?
No.
Yeah, it was on. I think they were selling it on Amazon.
Does
and
it look
they
like
had a video.
Momo?
It looks like a spider. So you imagine the spider toy, because you're running around because you're screaming, and you're gonna keep screaming because it's chasing you. It just looked really, really funny. Well, Valerie, you're supposed to come over, see them anytime. You know this. They miss you too. They miss you too. They miss their auntie. So yeah.
Which one's your favorite?
Which one is my favorite? Oh wait, we forgot to try these cookies.
Oh yeah.
We forgot one. Okay, I'm gonna stop messing with this for a second. They're Japanese peanut cookies. Let me just get one and break it in half.
Yeah. Very light.
Show them the cookie.
Take
Let's
the
just try to
packaging.
get the packaging off first. He grabbed the scissors. I'm not buying them for them damn kids. The last thing I need is them running around making it. They make enough noise. So this is a peanut cookie. Just peanuts.
Oh.
Whatever. Okay. It smells like peanut brittle.
Yeah.
I love peanut brittle, so maybe it's like peanut brittle. It's a hard cookie.
I like it though because it's not too sweet.
It tastes like peanut. Yeah, the cookie is not sweet at all. Really?
Can dogs eat peanuts?
I don't know. Yeah, the cookie itself is not sweet. And, yeah, it's very light. I like it.
Yeah, it just tastes like peanut brittle in a cookie.
I haven't even gotten to the peanut yet. Oh, yeah, that's good. Okay, which one do I like the most? That's tough. Well, you know I love that corn, but that's my bias, so I'm going to pick something else because we shouldn't even have that one in here.
We shouldn't have had this one in here. This is completely savory.
He's the only one eating all of them. I like the whistle candy. I like the whistle candy.
Really?
Yeah.
Does it remind you of that whistle candy we had when we were kids?
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
It was like the long whistle. Who remembers the whistle candy? Where you would, it was like a lollipop and you could blow on it and, no?
Well,
Old school.
We go to this place, BB, called Mitsuwa Marketplace in Arlington Heights, Illinois. It's a big store. It has everything in it. And it's like an hour away, 45 minutes on a good day. It's a little past O'Hare Airport. And they have all kinds of stuff in there. All kinds of snacks, all kinds of sweets, and it's all like Japanese Asian stuff. So we go there and we sometimes buy like a lot of stuff. So we just pick whatever. Most of the things have English on the back of them. Like where's that one? Where's one? No, that's not. No. This well, Pocky's. I'm going to show one that actually has like English on the back. A sticker.
The whistle has English on the back for nutrition facts and ingredients.
What about your fettuccine? We're chopping peanuts. Okay, like see that has a sticker that got stuck to it, and that has like nutrition in English. So like we could just pick stuff like we kind of know what it is, and we could guess. Like for instance, we knew this was like corn, like a corn snack, but we didn't know it was gonna taste like corn. So we trying it out. So we knew this was gonna taste like corn because we've had it before. Same thing like with this thing. We didn't know what it was gonna look like, but it was chocolate and strawberry. Very good. So yeah, I mean we know what's in it pretty much. But again, sometimes the flavors are crazy, like this one. These turds that you keep going. We didn't know what it was, but there was a description on the back that said it was primarily, it's a fried, sweet and deep fried, is made primarily of flour and brown sugar. So that's how we know, like, what to try and stuff. So yeah, we just trying different ones in front of y'all. I mean, some of these we haven't tried before. Like, you look at the potato chip, the snack one we did. That we didn't try any of those before, except for the shrimp ones. The shrimp chips we always you can find those at Food for Less and stuff like that. But yeah, this so those stuff we just pick them at random because we just like to try different things.
Well, I have two favorites. This one, I can't stop eating them. Also got And le fettuccine. Good stuff.
But you get a toy with the whistle one.
Well, these are cute too. I love the texture of the chocolate. So whistle is number one for you?
Yep.
Which one would you buy again to keep stocked in your fridge or cabinet?
I love this corn one.
It's funny because she does have one, an extra one.
There are two. There are two. They're just delicious. I don't want to just like you like eating bordered corn. This is for you. This is for you. Okay. So that's all the snacks we got this time. We'll probably come back with something else. We don't know yet. We haven't decided to go anywhere, and then plus somebody's schedule has changed again. So we might not be doing it on the weekend. We might actually be doing it earlier. I don't know yet. So we'll keep you all posted. All right. So anything else you want to say?
Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time. I don't know when.
Yeah, Valerie, when are we going to see you?
Come on through, Valerie.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're welcome here anytime. You know where I live. That's cool. All right, signing out. See you. Bye-bye.